Hey guys, Aaron here. I'm coming at you live from Costa Mesa,
California,
yeah. Where I'm with Douglas. He's the founder of the Brown Buffalo and Canvas Worker.
That's correct.
And today we're gonna show you how 3 hours ago we started from nothing and ended up making this absolute masterpiece.
You destroyed it.
Destroyed it in a good way, right?
In a good way.
Okay,
yeah.
Cool. So let's roll it from the top, and I'll show you how things work at Canvas Worker.
Let's go pick out some fabrics.
Let's.
We have this lavender is actually kind of cool.
That is nice.
This orange is.
Ooh, this is ultra.
Yeah, ultra. I haven't made anything with this fabric, so
no?
I'm so curious to.
So we're gonna be doing multiple fabrics for all those different things, or we're gonna do one consistent.
No, I mean I have to cut it out, so it doesn't matter.
Okay. Oh shit! Now we're thinking about how the fabrics work together.
And black binding.
And black binding.
Yep.
The gut has chosen.
So right now we're cutting the material. We're cutting the main body. So I have this. I place this pattern on top of the fabric.
Holy shit!
Right.
That was harder than I thought it was gonna be.
Totally.
Wow.
And now
this is strong stuff, guys.
It's strong.
Strong stuff.
So now take 1,000 denier.
Mm-hmm.
Cut it, yeah. Anyway. Same pull.
Wow.
Yeah.
Still pretty strong.
Pretty strong.
Wow.
Try this with the VX.
Got it.
Same pressure.
That was a little bit easier.
Easier, right?
Yeah, significantly. This is Dimension?
Yeah.
So this is X-Pack.
Yeah, this is X-Pack.
Got it.
That's Challenge.
Sorry, X-Pack.
So this next part, I'm just gonna, if I had other students in here, a lot of the times the fabrics are pre-cut, and I like to get that out of the way just so they have more time sewing. Mm-hmm. But in this case, it's a little bit different because we're able to work with one-on-one here. And what we'll do next is, I'm gonna mark it, and then what I'm gonna mark is just these little indicators, and then you'll end up using the ruler and start drawing out some guides.
Cool.
And
then I'm ready.
Right?
Let's go.
Let's do this.
Just like this?
Yep.
Dot to dot?
Dot to dot.
Just lining it up?
Yep.
Scary. Oh, shit.
Did you slip?
I slipped.
Yeah.
You didn't tell me not to slip.
Yeah, don't slip.
Okay, there you go.
That pattern.
I slipped and I broke the pencil.
Totally.
Should I just quit? It's a small step in the way. We're going to get this. All right, so don't push too hard. Keep the ruler straight.
Yep. Just like she said.
How did I do, teacher?
There you go.
Yeah?
Yep.
All right.
Yeah.
Are we done?
We're done.
That was easy.
So what we're going to do is get you on the sewing machine. I'm going to do a little one-on-one and for you and just give you some tips. Have you ever sewn before?
I have been on a Juki once or twice.
Okay.
I wouldn't say I did very well, but you know, I had a little practice.
Okay.
Like 45 minutes worth.
You sound like an expert then.
That is far from an expert,
okay.
no.
There you go.
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth. And try cutting it too.
How do I cut it again?
Go all the way on your heel.
Heel, top it. Oops, shit.
There you go. And then one more time on your heel. There you go. And then you can pull it out.
Very satisfying.
Right?
Yeah. Words. Okay. And then pop. Cool. Am I too close to the edge?
So that's a great question. So right here, you can drop the foot.
You want me to cut it?
No, don't cut it. Just, yeah, there you go. You're perfect.
Wow.
Look at that. First time.
What can I say? I got a great teacher. All right. So we're just gonna bring this on down.
And you know, the big thing too is when you get halfway through this is just remember to breathe.
I was forgetting to breathe.
Yeah.
All right, you're right.
Yeah.
Breathe, Aaron.
You're natural.
You're just complimenting yourself.
And just watch out for, so that orange doesn't pop out.
Too much. All right, I got it.
You can stop.
Stop?
Yeah. So this is what's happening is the thread actually broke earlier.
Oh, did it?
Up here. And actually, I don't know if it broke. It might have just came out. And so
the whole time I'm just doing that needle thing and the thread wasn't even in there. Very satisfying.
Right? Yeah. You're natural.
I got a great teacher.
Totally.
Looking like an idiot.
Yeah, it was good. I was just gonna
Were you laughing at me the whole time?
I was gonna finish
this guy. Thank God he can YouTube. So where did I go to?
You know what? It cut it on that corner.
Right?
Amazing, right?
Okay, cool.
It works out good.
It did because I wasn't aligned.
Totally.
That was meant to be.
Actually, we're gonna get you on the folder. Have
Folder?
you used a folder yet?
No.
No?
But I'm ready.
Yeah.
Let's do some folding.
Folding, man. What I'm doing with this roller is I'm making sure that the glue from the adhesive on the tape really gets into the pores of the fabric. This fabric's actually really easy to tape on. I could already tell. Meaning it's
now
not
this
going to
tape
move.
will remain underneath.
Yeah,
Oh,
totally.
okay.
So you see this more like within fine goods, handbags, even for Louis Vuitton, like under that leather, it's using tape. On footwear too, you see that as well.
Got it.
I'm gonna do that one and then that one. And then what I'll do with this is why I put that line only on that. Right now it's on my right side. I just use it as my guide. I used to put it on both sides, but it was overkill.
Okay.
Then I'll just grab that roller again.
Cool. May I?
Yeah, get into it, have fun.
I saw you doing it. I was like, that looks fun. This is all exciting, man. It's so cool to see it come together, like step by step.
Step by step, right?
And even though like I've seen thousands of my own bags being made, but like doing it like this, it's just, it hits you different, you know?
You're looking good, man. As long as you're on that line, you're good.
All right.
Just to here, and that's how you put labels on.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Push.
There you go.
Locked and loaded.
Locked and loaded, man.
This thing's gonna be sick. Easily the best tote that you've ever seen made yet.
Ever
right?
made.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably the most indestructible right now.
It's the
As
bottom.
an example. So this is the bottom. Take that corner right there.
Yep.
And sew all the way down to here. If it's easier for you to see it this way, it's up to you.
This way is better for me. Okay. So fold it like that.
Yep, and you're gonna go this way.
Okay.
Keep the details clean.
I've been told I'm overly confident. All right, so you're holding it, and then I'm
I
gonna.
hope you got not, but yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Yeah, get that first one in there.
In. Oop.
Ooh, it broke. Look at that. I love that. Just keep it there. Don't move it.
Not
Don't
move.
cut it.
Yep.
Yep. Actually, it didn't even break. It just came out.
Can't handle my brute strength,
I
obviously.
know. All right, Ryan, we are officially done here.
Hell yeah, I do. This is really cool. I have to admit, thank you for supporting me in my color decision and fabric choices, because this looks rad. I'm not gonna lie, like, I've been around a lot of bags, Doug. This reviewed 800 on the Nomads Nation YouTube channel. I started my own bag brand as well, where we're doing thousands for Firo, but I haven't actually sewn my own until today. I've been on a Juki machine once or twice. I've done a little bit of practice for like 30 minutes, but nothing like we did today. And I'm really stoked about this. Like I got a whole new perspective on just how awesome and difficult it is to actually make a high quality bag. Every time I review a new bag, I feel like I get a new appreciation, but actually like making it just took it to a different level. Like the straightness of the lines and making sure we do the binding correctly and making sure the machines are rigged up, because it's a whole thing. And like,
Right.
I learned a lot, man.
Right on, man. Well, you did a killer job today.
You know, couldn't done it without your help.
Perfect. Thank you, brother.
Appreciate you, dude.
Yeah.